lms365 was designed to deliver online learning directly in the digital workplace of the employee. But what about instructor-led training? This is a question we often get. Therefore, this video shows you how you can use lms365 in an instructor-led scenario where the instructor uses lms365 to register attendance and provide an assessment of learners on various parameters, leading to course completion. As our first step, we will create the lms365 course site for this purpose. On the left-hand side, we choose which features and add-ins we want to use in this course. We'll be using the assignment and gradebook add-in, and just for convenience, I'll also add the learning module builder. We will call the course On the Job Training. We'll fill in the course details and let the system do the rest. Our course site has now been created. I'll be using the assignment and gradebook add-in to create 2 new scale sets to track attendance and to assess the learners. Now, let's go to the assignment and gradebook administration. Go to Scale Sets and create a new one. I'll call this one Attendance. I'll be using a very simple taxonomy for this example, using just full, good, low, and no attendance. We also need a grade scale for our assessment of the learners. We'll call this one On the Job Instructor Rating, using the following grades: Not Ready, Mastering the Job, and Ready for the Next Level. We're ready to prepare the rest of the course for the instructor. We'll go to the gradebook settings and create the custom columns that we need. First one will be attendance. We'll simply create this custom grade and it will use our new attendance scale set. Next, we'll add the other parameter that we need to assess our learners. We'll evaluate their skills in preparing orders, serving customers, upselling, and cleaning equipment. lms365 even lets you define the course completion settings based on the grade and scales in the course. We will include all the parameters, including attendance in the course completion settings, and will require that the learner achieves 60% or more in all parameters in this course. Okay, so we're all set and ready to go. We are ready to invite our learners or put the course site into the catalog for self-enrollment. If we want to use an external instructor, we can invite him or her simply by sharing the site and giving the instructor owner permissions. Going into the gradebook as an instructor, we can now assess all the learners one by one on the parameters we have chosen, and we can mark their attendance. When we hit save, lms365 calculates the course scores based on our settings and automatically sets the course as completed if the criteria is met. Back in the course catalog, the course is now visible, and if we go into the course list, we can drill down and see course completion details and even open up the certificate.